Good morning. It's time for the around the loop trains. Tell me when to push the blue cone now. Watch. It did it. Now the train is gonna do a loop. Ready? Go. Watch that train guy. Don't get caught by these snowballs. Oh, which way should the train go? Okay, let's go this way. Let's go left. Now look at what's coming. The train. Now I can wait to see them go. We did. Now let's go to the other direction way. We have to count if we wait until we see the trains. Well, I'm about to do a loop. Then the trains will come in such a hurry. Yay! Let's go right. That way. Now turn. We're almost back to the end. Eyes on the prize. Yay! You did it! You'll help the train get back to the end. Congratulations. The blue race car can run around with the trains. You win the game. And the race. Congratulations. If you want to see the next video, click that subscribe button. Bye everyone. Bye everybody. Be good to your trains.